Now, while governments claim they are ramping up oxygen production and hospital beds, at Delhi's biggest COVID-dedicated hospital, LNJP, there is a traffic jam of ambulances and personal vehicles with patients, many of them in critical condition. Hospital beds are full and families outside are struggling to get their patients admitted. Others are struggling for admission as their family members initially tested negative, but their oxygen levels have been dipping. These people then resorted to CT scans to get lung infection reports. 43-year-old Aslam Khan brought his 30-year-old wife Ruby Khan on his bike, on which he had already been turned back from 3 hospitals and had finally come to the 4th hospital, LNJP, where he begged the staff to admit his wife. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi brings us this ground report.
We are currently standing outside the Delhi government-run LNJP hospital. The queue of patients, you can witness it just by the number of cars and ambulances that are in waiting here. Inside each car is a patient who is running low on oxygen at this point of time. All of these are critical patients. All of this long queue of ambulances, one after the other, and people bringing in their patients in their private vehicles as well. Many of them have their patients on oxygen cylinders already inside these ambulances as well as vehicles. The security staff here trying to manage the situation. But this is a traffic jam of sorts happening right outside Delhi's biggest COVID-dedicated hospital. This is how extreme the situation is. There are patients one right after the other. There are cars in waiting. There are relatives. Intense situation, trying from one hospital to another, running from one hospital to another. Helpless relatives running from one hospital to another. That man who just tried to speak to us is on his way, rushing to get his patient inside the hospital. There's a patient on the front seat of the car. They are trying to ensure that they can get him inside the hospital. But there are ambulances right in front of the queue. They are now trying to manage this entire situation, but this reflects the chaos in the national capital and the extremely high number of cases, with over 20,000 cases or 25,000 cases being recorded on a daily basis. This is how extreme the situation has become. The man we just spoke to has now trying to get his car inside on a priority basis. There are arguments erupting here, cars being rushed inside. Extremely risky situation over here. The security staff finding it difficult to handle the situation.
That was my colleague Sukirti Dwivedi outside LNJP hospital. But let's quickly listen in to the man who brought his wife on a bike and pleaded for a bed.
बेटी सियानी है, एक छोटी है गोद की। थक गए लोग, मैं पैर पकड़ने को भी तैयार हूँ, लेकिन आदमी तो करे ही है। बैठ लिए वो नीचे लिटा के इलाज करा लूँगा। 4 हॉस्पिटल धक्के खा के उसको मरने का कैसे छोड़ दूँ मैं।